Welcome to today's video. We're going to be talking the slight risk to River, Virginia, North Carolina today, and even it looks like South and North Dakota has a slight risk too. And we're going to talk about some heat today too, because we still have some gross heat going on. No extreme heat warnings anymore, so let's get started. All right, everyone. So we got our severe weather risk for today for July 5th. We got a slight risk in Pennsylvania, New Jersey, Virginia, a margin risk in Ohio, Pennsylvania, Louisiana, Tennessee, North, South Carolina, and Texas. Then we got a slight risk to weather in North Dakota. We can see also on here too, guys. Then a margin risk in Montana. We can see Idaho, Wyoming too. Also, then a huge typical thunderstorm risk. We can see for Iowa, Illinois, Indiana, Ohio, and New York. We can see on here Texas, Louisiana, Georgia. You can see also for July 5th on here for Sunday. You can see everyone. So, all right, so let's look at of course, we don't have a tornado risk for today, guys. We do have a wind risk for today. We do have a 30% wind risk for parts of Pennsylvania, New Jersey. We can see a little of Maryland. We can see potential for damaging winds. We can see today there. Also, then we got a 15% risk for Pennsylvania, Virginia, then a 5% risk for Ohio, Pennsylvania, Tennessee, Georgia, South Carolina, then a 15% risk for Texas. We can see then a 5% risk we can see for Montana, North Dakota, Idaho, and Wyoming today, everybody. So, of course, we do got a hail risk for today. All right, everyone, so we got our hail risk today. We got a significant one hail risk, 15% hail risk in North Dakota, potential for a large hail. Then 5% hail risk in North Dakota, New Mexico. We got a 5% hail risk, Texas, Oklahoma, Pennsylvania, Maryland, West Virginia, Virginia on here. We can see also everyone for today, everyone. So this is today's severe weather risk. So we do got a day 2 and day 3 severe weather risk, everyone. So let me just pull that up. So we got a let's see. We got yep, there's our day 2 severe weather risk, everyone. We got a margin risk in North Dakota, South Dakota, Minnesota, Virginia, North Carolina. We can see for Monday, everyone on here down in Pennsylvania, we got a typical thunderstorm risk. Ohio, Illinois, Indiana. You can see Louisiana, Colorado, Nevada, Utah, Wyoming, New Mexico, Texas, Louisiana on here too, everyone. You can see for the 6th on here for tomorrow, everyone. We can see then I think we don't have a tornado risk for tomorrow, but we do have a hail risk, a wind risk and hail risk for tomorrow. So we got our wind risk for tomorrow. We got a 5% wind risk for North Dakota, Minnesota, South Dakota, and 5% wind risk for Virginia and North Carolina. We can see also on here. Then also we get a 5% hail risk for Minnesota, North Dakota, and South Dakota for Monday. We can see also everybody on here too, guys. So yeah. Then we do have a Dave Reese severe rubber risk we do gotta talk about on here. So let me just pull that up real quick. Where is it? 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 Okay, there it is, guys. So July 7th, we got a slight risk in South Dakota, Minnesota, Iowa. Then we got a margin risk in Minnesota, Wisconsin, Nebraska, Iowa. Then we got a typical thunderstorm risk in North, South Carolina, Georgia, Louisiana, Arkansas. We can see also on here too, guys. I see. Guys, so yeah, pretty much we got huge typical thunderstorm risk in Kansas. You can see in this whole area, Nevada, Utah. You can see North Dakota, Minnesota in the south too. Also for the 7th, we can see also everyone. Then we got our okay. There it is. There's our day probability outlook for July 7th. We got a 15% probability outlook for Minnesota, Nebraska. We can see also in South Dakota for July 7th, and 5% risk for Wisconsin, North and South Dakota, and Nebraska. You can see. All right, everyone. So we got our radar projections for today. We can see in Ohio we have storms around 3 p.m. We can see storms in Pennsylvania, West Virginia, North Carolina. We can see also around here around 3 p.m. today, everybody. We can see. Then also we got 4 p.m. coming up. We got storms in Ohio, Pennsylvania. We can see also on here, New York. You can see Virginia, North South Carolina, Tennessee, Mississippi too. We can see everyone. So then 5 p.m. we can have storms in eastern Pennsylvania, eastern Pennsylvania. We can see also on here, western Pennsylvania. We can see also some storms too. West Virginia too. Also in eastern Ohio too. And we can see Michigan. We got some maybe potential pop-up rain showers. We can see also some rain showers in Tennessee, Alabama, Georgia, South Carolina, North Carolina, and Virginia. In New York today, we can see some rain also. Let's see what's going on over in our nothing yet. So, all right. So Then we can see 6 p.m. comes along, everyone. We can see we got storms in Pennsylvania, Ohio. We can see Virginia, some rain showers in South Carolina, North Carolina, Tennessee, Louisiana, Mississippi. Some storms that we in Florida. We can see just looks like a rainy storm day across a lot of places. Rain in New York. We can see also on here. Then we can see 7 p.m. We get storms in Ohio, Pennsylvania, Virginia, New Jersey. We can see North South Carolina, Tennessee. We can see also Arkansas. We get some rain showers. Missouri, Georgia. We can see also on here around 7 p.m. today. You can see. Then it looks like over here in North Dakota around 6 p.m. we can see. Looks like we got some storms trying to form in North Dakota. We can see also on here. Then we can see, yeah, pretty much that's like for that, pretty much for now. So let's go back. We go back to that later. Then 8 p.m. we have storms in Pennsylvania, Virginia. We can see North South Carolina, Tennessee, Georgia, Mississippi, New Jersey. We can see also on here rain in New York and some of the New England states. We can see everyone on here. Sorry, just yawning. All right, so we can see we got some rain in Missouri. We can see also on here. Then 9 p.m. we have storms in Pennsylvania, New Jersey, Maryland. We got some rain in Tennessee. We see every rain in New York, some of the New England states, some rain in Georgia, Mississippi, Alabama, Louisiana today, and rain in North Carolina. We can see also. Then 10 p.m. we can see storms in Pennsylvania, New Jersey. We can see New York, some of the New England states, maybe even some rain in Tennessee. We can see. So when we move back to up the north and South Dakota, it doesn't look like we're going to get many storms there. Maybe around 7 p.m., 6 p.m., maybe to our 8 p.m. But it looks like we've got some storms in Canada. You can see also on here. So let's move over back. This is 9 p.m. in Pennsylvania. We get storms in Pennsylvania, Virginia, Maryland, Tennessee. We got some rain in New York, Georgia, Alabama, Mississippi, Louisiana. We can see also on 9 p.m. today. Then 10 p.m. we can see maybe some storms in Pennsylvania, Maryland, some rain in Tennessee. We can see also on here too, guys. Some rain in New Jersey, some of the New England states. We can even see some storms on here too. Then 11 p.m. we get some rain in Pennsylvania, maybe some storms there too. Maryland, New York, West Virginia, Kentucky. We can see also. So, of course, that's going to move on to our storm caps now for today. All right, these are our storm caps around noon today. We can see we got 2,400 storm cap in Virginia, Maryland. We got 3,200. We can see Tennessee 1,400, Kentucky 2,300, Ohio about 1,400 and 2,500 in some spots. We can see on here also Georgia 2,400, Louisiana 3,600, 3,700 storm cap. You can see also on here New Jersey about 1,000 storm cap. You can see also them looks like 2 p.m. in North Carolina. We have 1,000 storm cap, 1,200. We can see Virginia maybe 2,000. We can see also 3,700. We can see Kentucky 1,800. Ohio 1,900 storm cap. We can see everyone on here. Pennsylvania 1,400. New Jersey 1,000. We can see also everybody. So then we got it looks like around 4 p.m. today. We got 2,400 in Virginia, Maryland. We can see also Kentucky 2,000, 2,300 in Tennessee, Ohio 1,400 storm cap. Today we can see around 4 p.m. Iowa 2,400, Missouri 2,500. We can see also Indiana 1,500, Illinois 2,000. We can see also South Carolina. We even got 2,900, 3,000 storm cap. We can see in some spots today also. 5 p.m. on here we can see 4,200 in New Jersey, 4,000 in parts of looks like Maryland. We can see on here also. Guys, I'm so sorry. I meant to say Maryland. I don't know what I'm saying. I'm just a little bit tired today. I gotta say Maryland. You can see 4,000 storm cap there, potentially 3,400. Then we can see New Jersey 1,300, Pennsylvania 2,100, North Carolina 2,000. Some places have 3,000. See Ohio 1,100 storm cap, 1,600. Indiana 1,400, Kentucky 2,000, Tennessee 2,300 storm cap. We can see everyone today. Then we can see maybe 7 p.m. this evening. We got about 3,000 storm cap in Virginia. We can see Ohio about 3,000 too. We can see Tennessee maybe 1,900 storm cap. We can see also on here South Carolina 2,800. We can see also on here for today. Then we got looks like 9 p.m. maybe 3,000 storm cap in Virginia, 3,100, 3,200. We see West Virginia 1,300 in Pennsylvania, 1,600 storm cap in Kentucky, 2,100. In Tennessee, 2600. In North Carolina, every 1,000 storm cap. We can see everybody also on here, guys, too. So let's move on to our temperatures we're going to talk about. It's kind of gross today. There's no extreme heat warnings, but there's still heat advisories. So let's talk about it. This gross heat today in parts of Virginia, North and South Carolina today. Let's talk about it. All right, so this is what our temperatures look like at noon today. We can see it's in the mid 90s in North Carolina, South Carolina, Georgia in the 90s. We can see Virginia in the 90s. We can see, looks like Maryland we're in the 80s. This kind of heat could, I think I saw when I was looking at this Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday. Looks like this area could have some heat like this. Looks like noon today. This looks like on here. And let's move to 2 p.m. everyone. This is what 2 p.m. looks like. North Carolina, we're near 100. Virginia, part of Virginia looks like we're near 100. South Carolina, Georgia in the higher 90s. Maryland in the 90s. Pennsylvania even in the 90s. And so that's New Jersey. We're going to see also, then looks like 4 p.m. today. We got 100 in North Carolina maybe. South Carolina near 100. Georgia in the 90s. Maryland in the 90s. Pennsylvania in the 90s. New Jersey in the 90s today. We can see Georgia maybe in the 90s too, also higher 90s. Mississippi, Alabama, we're in the 80s. Louisiana and Texas, we're in the 90s too today. And we're going to look at 6 p.m. We can see 6 p.m. There's storms start to move in. That's where our temperatures drop. Let's look at our Philly temperatures for today, everyone. This is what our Philly temperatures look like around the hottest point today. Philly temperatures looks like around 3 p.m. today. Philly temperatures of 105 and near 105 in South Carolina. North Carolina, 101. Virginia, we're feeling like 101. Georgia, we're feeling like 102. 103 today. Alabama, we're feeling like 101. New Jersey, we're feeling like in the 90s. Maryland, too, also today, everyone. So, of course, we're going to look at our temperatures for Monday, too, for this area. All right, this is what noon looks like on Monday. We got mid 90s in North Carolina, South Carolina, Virginia. We can see West Virginia in the 80s. Tennessee in the 80s. Georgia in the 80s, too. We can see also on here. The 2 p.m. today. You got temperatures in the higher 2 p.m. on Monday, man. I'm sorry, in the higher 90s in North Carolina, South Carolina, Virginia, Georgia in the 90s. We can see also West Virginia in the 80s. We can see on here also too, guys. Then also we're gonna have 4 p.m. on Monday. We can see 100 maybe in part of Virginia and little North Carolina. Now higher 90s in North Carolina, South Carolina in the 90s, Georgia in the 90s, Virginia 100. We can see. Then I feel like temperatures on Monday looking like pretty I would say Philly temperatures looking pretty gross and hot. Philly temperatures are 105 in South Carolina. North Carolina we're feeling 102. Virginia we're feeling like 100 in spots. Georgia we're maybe feeling like 103. You see just disgusting Philly temperatures. You gotta agree with me, guys. This is disgusting at this point with this Philly temperatures at this point. So of course we're gonna look at Tuesday's temperatures, everyone. Tuesday at noon we can see we're 90s in North Carolina, South Carolina, Virginia in the 80s, Georgia in the 80s and 90s. We can see also for Tuesday, also everybody on here at noon. We're going to skip around to 2 p.m. now. Everyone, we're in the mid 90s in North Carolina, South Carolina, Georgia, Virginia in the 80s. We can see also on here too, guys. We can see then Kentucky, we're in the 80s. We can see Tennessee also on here. Then looks like our temperatures on Tuesday don't look as high, maybe 95. You can see in places in North Carolina, but our Philly temperatures do look disgusting still. On Tuesday, we can see in parts of South Carolina, we can see 105, 104. We're feeling like in North Carolina, 101 in Virginia, Georgia. We're feeling like 102. Even parts of Florida, we're maybe feeling like 102. This, you know what I mean? It's just like there's a point where it's just gross. Like it's always gross. Like these Philly temperatures of 100. Just so humid and things. You know, like New Jersey, maybe feeling like in the 90s. Better there so far. In Maryland, in the 90s, we can see we're feeling like two guys. Then our temperatures start to go down because of storms. You can see our Philly temperatures. So yeah, guys. So I'm gonna wrap up the video here, guys. Hope you learned something new today. It's a little bit shorter. So hope you learned something new in this video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to subscribe, notification bell. Never miss a video like this, guys. Okay, guys. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.